The martyrdom of Abbas ibn Ali. Abbas advanced towards the river Euphrates, killing the enemy charging towards it. He continued his advance into the heart of Ibn Sa'd's army. He was under a heavy shower of arrows but was able to penetrate them and get to the river. He immediately started filling the water skin in remarkable and immortal gesture of loyalty to his brother and Muhammad's grandson. He didn't drink any water despite being severely thirsty. He put the water skin on his right shoulder and started riding back towards their tents. A massive army blocked his way and surrounded him. He was ambushed from behind. A soldier cut off his right arm. He put the water skin on his left shoulder. However, his left arm was also cut off. Abbas now held the water skin with his teeth. The army of Ibn Sa'd started shooting arrows at him. One arrow hit the water skin and water poured out of it. He charged towards them, but one arrow hit his eye and someone hit the front of his head with a huge lance, and he fell off the horse. In his last moments, he asked his brother Hussain not to take his body back to the camps because he promised to bring back water, but failed. He could not bear to fave his beloved niece Sakina, the daughter of Imam Hussain. Then upon the insistence of the Imam, Abbas called him brother for the first time in his life, instead of calling him master or sir. Before the death of Abbas ibn Ali, Imam said,
"Abbas, your death is like the breaking of my back.